A dam is right there, and this is getting to a cliff here.
The tiptoes on the bedroom floor, these quiet.
Where are we here? The baskets and the rest of whatever that was. Oh, I got all kinds of junk here. Huh. Crunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I'll do in one of my other tires. Yeah, it's turning into a goat trail. I've been driving the four-wheeler down here unless I cut all this, and so no point cutting it. I know there's no bridge there. You can't see anything from Google. I'm just curious to see if there's any remnants. It's not very far, a couple hundred meters. This is where the bridge used to be. And there's absolutely nothing here. Huh. I'd have thought there would even be some posts or something, but nothing. Yeah, that's gone. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. But what I do see, proper Engle, do see. Whew. Nothing there. But if you look up there, that's that big ass dam. I wonder if we can walk over there. I was getting too tired in my old age. That's a big dam. Big damn dam. Damn big dam. Hopefully it's not too far from here. Can't really get lost. A river on one side and a road on the other. As long as I walk away from, oh, going uphill. As long as I walk away from the river, I should be heading straight towards the road. Oh, we're up pretty high here. The dam will be way down there somewhere. It's got to be further. It's got like a cliff here. Wow. And here, only rushing water straight that way. That's a serious cliff there. Got myself into a little crawl situation here. Crawling through the bush. Okay. Oh my. Wow. The dam is right there. And this is getting to a cliff here. Yikes. Well, kind of got myself in a spot here. I think I gotta head back up. See it a bit better. I just, I don't know how you get down there. Right down there, that's the dam. I'd like to get to the top of the dam somehow, and maybe the down river side of it. So I gotta go back down and try and skirt along the river, see if I can get there. A little mossy area that kind of goes downwards. Getting closer to the river anyways. And the problem is I gotta go back up that hill. Okay. Oh, we're down to river level. Now it depends if we can walk along to the dam. Dam. Yeah. Blockage everywhere. Wow. Okay. Oh wow. I hope this is worth it. If I can get back up again. Oh man. Oh, God. Eating branches. There you go. There I go. Huh. That's the dam. Okay, somehow I'm doubting I can get up on top because it looks like it butts right up against the cliff there. You can see the old winder up there. That's how they lift the logs up and down. There's a slot there. And the spill, this is the spillways here. And they lifted the logs up and down to lower or raise the lake behind it for all the logs. the dam butts right up against that cliff, so I won't even be able to get up there. There's the old dam, steel slide. Well, there wasn't a ladder here. Slots where the timbers went up and down and the crank up there. Uh-oh. Where's the little boy with a finger? Stick a finger in the dike. Got a hole. That's got to be 25 feet tall probably. Had a lot of water back. If you notice, it's all built with probably 3x6, 4x6, or 4x8 lumber. And the forms were held together with number 9 wire, it looks like. There's some of the old timbers that are still the forming timbers. Number 9 wire. Still at the edge of the dam. I just left that there. One piece up there. Yeah, there's no way that's a vertical climb. I can't do that without dying as much as I want to. Now I gotta get out of here. I don't know if I can go up through here or not if I hit a cliff, but I'm gonna try. All right, holy cow. That's too much work for this old fat guy. Whew. But I'm back to the four-wheeler. So